Let me show you how to set up a WordPress multi-site application on Cloudways. If you don't have an application yet that you want to use for your multi-site WordPress install, you're going to have to make one. So you can go ahead and go to My Applications, and then you can click the Add Application button in the top right. And then you want to choose which server you want this application on. Then click Add Application. And then under Select Application, we want to choose the most recent WordPress version. And then give your application a name. Select your project if you want. I'm going to keep Hybrid Stack selected here. And then I'm going to click Add Application. This is going to take a little while to set up, so let that finish up. Okay, when that's done, let's go ahead and click into Applications, and then we will click into that application we just made. And then we want to go to Application Settings, and then we want to go to WordPress Settings. And then where it says WordPress Multisite here, we're going to want to toggle it on right here. And now we have to choose between subdomain and subdirectory, and you almost always want to put subdirectory unless you have a specific reason to do subdomain. So I'm just going to select that one, and then I'm going to click Proceed. Give this a little bit to set up. And now let's log into our website by going to Access Details, clicking into the admin panel, and then we're going to want to log in here with our information here. And here we go in the WordPress backend, and you can tell that multi-site is set up because when you go under My Sites, you can see Network Admin and a subsite under that. And that's it. Now you know how to set up WordPress multi-site on Cloudways. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And if you're building your own website, make sure to check out my description to download your free website roadmap, which will walk you through everything you need to do to get your site live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.